Hello, fellow travelers. Whether you're an adventure junkie, a beach lover, or a culture enthusiast, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 amazing travel destinations you need to visit. For each destination, we'll explore the best cities, beaches, and cultural sites, offer travel tips, recommend local cuisine, and give you insights into the unique traditions and experiences of each place. Let's dive in. 10. Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto is Japan's cultural heart, brimming with ancient temples, beautiful gardens, and traditional tea houses. Don't miss the Fushimi Inari Shrine, with its iconic red torii gates, or the serene Kinkaku-ji, also known as the Golden Pavilion. For a peaceful retreat, stroll through the Arashiyama bamboo forest. To travel on a budget, use Japan's efficient public transport like buses and trains, and consider staying in a ryokan, a traditional inn, for an affordable yet authentic experience. Visit in the off-season, like late autumn or early spring, to avoid crowds and higher prices. Kyoto is famous for kaiseki, a multi-course meal. But if you're on a budget, try a bowl of ramen or okonomiyaki at a local shop. Don't forget to taste matcha tea at one of the many tea houses. Participate in a traditional tea ceremony, a highly ritualized performance that embodies the spirit of Zen Buddhism. Respect for customs and politeness is crucial. Always bow and remove your shoes when entering homes or traditional establishments. 9. Santorini, Greece. This iconic Greek island offers stunning views of whitewashed buildings cascading down cliffs, overlooking the deep blue Aegean Sea. Visit the towns of Fira and Oia for breathtaking sunsets and explore the ancient ruins of Akrotiri, often referred to as Greece's Pompeii. Consider visiting during the shoulder seasons, like April to May or September to October, to avoid peak crowds and higher costs. Rent a scooter or ATV to get around the island affordably. Indulge in moussaka, a classic Greek dish of layered eggplant, minced meat, and bechamel sauce. Pair it with some Santorini wine, made from grapes grown in volcanic soil, and finish with baklava for dessert. Greek hospitality is legendary. Make sure to greet locals with a friendly kalimera, which means good morning, and partake in a Greek dance if you get the chance, especially during festivals. 8. Queenstown, New Zealand. Known as the adventure capital of the world, Queenstown offers everything from bungee jumping off the Kawarau Bridge to jet boating on the Shotover River. For a more laid-back experience, take a day trip to the nearby Milford Sound, a stunning fjord with waterfalls and exotic wildlife. To save money, consider staying in hostels or campsites and cook your meals using local groceries. Many outdoor activities, like hiking the Routeburn Track, are free and offer jaw-dropping scenery. New Zealand's food scene is all about fresh, local ingredients. Try green-lipped mussels, lamb, and the famous hokey pokey ice cream. Wash it down with some local Pinot Noir from Central Otago. Learn about the indigenous Maori culture through performances and storytelling. If you attend a haka, which is a war dance, understand that it's a deeply spiritual and traditional expression of strength and unity. 7. Barcelona, Spain. Barcelona is a city where modernist architecture melds with rich history. Explore La Sagrada Familia, Park Güell, and Casa Batlló, all designed by the visionary Antoni Gaudí. Stroll down La Rambla, a lively street filled with shops, street performers, and cafes. Use the Barcelona card for free public transport and discounted entry to many attractions. Stay in the Gracia district for a more local and affordable experience. Barcelona is a foodie paradise. Try tapas like patatas bravas or jamón ibérico, and don't leave without tasting paella by the beach. Pair it with a glass of sangria or cava. Catalonia, where Barcelona is located, has a distinct culture from the rest of Spain. Learn a few phrases in Catalan to connect with locals. Don't miss the castles, human towers that are a spectacle of teamwork and cultural pride. 6. Cape Town, South Africa. Cape Town is a city of contrasts, with its dramatic Table Mountain backdrop and vibrant V&A waterfront. Take a day trip to Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned, or visit the Cape of Good Hope for sweeping coastal views. South Africa is relatively affordable, but to stretch your budget, opt for guest houses or Airbnb accommodations. Use ride-sharing apps like Uber for safe and affordable transport. Try bobotie, a spiced minced meat dish, or biltong, South Africa's version of beef jerky. Wash it down with a fine South African wine from the nearby Stellenbosch region. South Africa is known as the Rainbow Nation, reflecting its diverse cultures. Visit a township for a guided cultural tour to understand the country's complex history and vibrant present. 5. Bali, Indonesia. Bali offers a mix of stunning beaches, lush rainforests, and rich cultural experiences. Visit Ubud for its artistic heritage and rice terraces, or head to Seminyak for upscale beach resorts and nightlife. Don't miss the Uluwatu Temple perched on a cliff. Bali is a budget traveler's dream. Rent a scooter to explore the island, and stay in family-run guest houses for a more affordable and authentic experience. Indulge in nasi goreng, fried rice, or satay, grilled meat skewers. For a more adventurous palate, try babi guling, roast pig, or tempeh, a local soybean product. Balinese Hinduism is central to life on the island. Participate in a traditional Balinese offering ceremony, or watch a Kecak fire dance to immerse yourself in the local culture. This ancient Incan city, nestled high in the Andes, is one of the most iconic archaeological sites in the world. Whether you hike the Inca Trail or take the train, Machu Picchu offers a glimpse into the rich history of the Incan Empire. To save money, book your trip during the shoulder seasons, like April to May or September to October. If you're hiking the Inca Trail, pack light and, acclimate to the altitude before you begin. Peruvian cuisine is world-renowned. Try ceviche, lomo saltado, or the adventurous cuy. Don't miss sipping on pisco sour, Peru's national cocktail. The indigenous Quechua culture is still very much alive in this region. Take time to learn about their traditions, and consider hiring a local guide to gain deeper insights into the history and spirituality of the area. 3. Reykjavik, Iceland. Reykjavik serves as the gateway to Iceland's stunning natural wonders. Take a day trip to the Golden Circle, which includes Thingvellir National Park, Gullfoss Waterfall, and the Geyser geothermal area. Don't forget to relax in the Blue Lagoon geothermal spa. Iceland can be pricey, but you can save by staying in guest houses and cooking your own meals. Public transport is limited, so renting a car is recommended if you want to explore more remote areas. Try hakal, fermented shark if you're feeling brave, or stick to Icelandic lamb stew and fresh seafood. Also, sample skaya, a yogurt-like dairy product, for a traditional Icelandic treat. Icelandic culture is heavily influenced by Norse mythology and the island's unique geography. Visit a saga museum to learn about Viking history, and if you're lucky, you might hear locals share tales of the Huldufolk, hidden people or elves. 2. Rome, Italy. The Eternal City is a must-see for history lovers. Explore the Colosseum, Roman Forum, and Pantheon for a taste of ancient Rome. Visit the Vatican City to see St. Peter's Basilica and the Sistine Chapel. Rome can be expensive, but you can save by eating at local trattorias instead of touristy restaurants. Use public transport like buses and the metro to get around the city. Italian food is legendary. Enjoy authentic pizza, pasta carbonara, and gelato from small, family-run establishments. Don't forget to try an espresso at a local cafe. Rome is steeped in Catholic tradition, so visiting churches and religious sites is common. Even if you're not religious, appreciate the deep cultural significance and art in these spaces. Remember to dress modestly when entering churches. 1. Paris, France. Ah, Paris, the city of love, art, and fashion. Take in the view from the Eiffel Tower, explore the art collections at the Louvre, and walk along the scenic Seine River. Be sure to visit the charming neighbourhood of Montmartre and the stunning Notre Dame Cathedral. Paris can be expensive, but you can save money by staying in budget-friendly accommodations like hostels or Airbnb. Take advantage of the city's excellent public transportation system, the metro. Paris is a food lover's paradise. Enjoy croissants and baguettes from local bakeries, sample escargot and foie gras, and savour delicious crepes from street vendors. Pair your meals with a glass of French wine. The French take their culture and etiquette seriously. Learn a few basic French phrases and always greet people with a polite bonjour before engaging in conversation. Paris is also known for its art and intellectual history, so visiting a local bookshop or attending a gallery event is a must. That wraps up our list of the top 10 amazing travel destinations. Wherever you choose to go, remember to immerse yourself in the local culture, try new foods, and travel smart. Safe travels and enjoy the journey.